Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to hide your Facebook friends list in 2026. Okay, let's go for tutorial video. Step 1. Open Facebook. After open Facebook, click your profile. After click your profile, click menu setting. After click menu, scroll down, setting privacy, click setting. After click setting, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Audience and visibility. Click how people find and contact you. Okay, click. After click second option, we can see your friend list. Okay, click and select only me option. Okay, tick only me option and click save option. Very easy. You can see your friends list only me. Okay, very easy. The setting have been successful changed. Okay, please like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel. Good luck.